What's going on, guys? Angel here. Welcome to Around the Track. This is where we talk about all the hot and new things going on within the Coaster community. Today I have a really quick update to share with you all regarding Drop Tower, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alrighty guys, like I said, it's going to be a pretty quick video today, so all I'm going to be talking about is Drop Tower, and we have some good news actually. So Drop Tower is now running. It was running opening weekend for Halloween Haunted Kings Dominion. In fact, I went the opening day to Halloween Haunted Kings Dominion this year. Yeah, I was surprised to see it actually running, and I must say the drop, or not the drop, but the motor definitely feels faster. I can tell there was a difference in the speed of it. We got up to the top of the tower in a decent amount of time, so overall it was a really good ride. I had fun. I'm glad I got to ride it again. I really enjoy that Drop Tower. It's one of the best ones that I've ridden, at least, and I've ridden a nice amount of them, not too many, but I've ridden a nice amount to say that I still enjoy Drop Tower at Kings Dominion. But that's all that I have for you guys today. I just want to give you all a quick update. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and until next time, you guys, peace out.